Hi and welcome to Toolspecs. So the last time that we tested the MELLIF snow shovel, we actually tested it in a really hard condition. It was wet snow, ice, had just rain, and those snow shovels actually handled themselves pretty good. We just had a fresh snow, so let's test it in normal condition where you're going to apply those snow shovels most of the time and see how they go. We have our DeWalt compatible that came with the MELLIF battery first, which is a 20 volt. Pins were bent for the battery, so I had to straighten them out. Next, we have the red one, which is the Milwaukee compatible snow shovel. It also came with a 18 volt battery from MELLIF. Last, we have our 40 volt DeWalt compatible MELLIF snow shovel. This one actually don't come with batteries. For this test, we have two 4 amp hour DeWalt batteries. We're gonna start clearing up this path here with the MELLIF Milwaukee compatible battery, the 18 volt. I'm gonna throw the snow over here, so I'll move the fins. Pretty good job, pretty fast. What do you think? Now we're going to go for the DeWalt one. With a 20 volt DeWalt snow shovel, DeWalt compatible snow shovel I should say, from MELLIF, we're going to clear up this porch here. Yeah, try to throw the snow on the snow bank, not against the house. So. The thing that's nice about electric snow shovel and snow blower is that even though it's super early in the morning, it's not too loud. It's not going to wake up your neighbor or your wife. So you can still do some work. Now let's do the 40 volt snow shovel. With this 40 volt snow shovel, we're going to clear up the snow that fell beside the track here. Works pretty good, eh? Now, the main thing that I get for a question is, why would you use a electric snow shovel like this? Sometimes it goes faster with just a regular shovel. And my answer is, I get a bad back, so lifting the snow is, always painful for me. So having something that I can just drag on the ground and just push nice and easy like this without having to lift it. It's really, I'm only supporting the weight of the battery with this thing, so it makes my life way easier and less painful. Now, if you're wondering, out of the 3 MELLIF snow shovel, which one I like the most, well, I think I like the smaller one better, the 18 volt Milwaukee and the 20 volt DeWalt compatible one, because that 40 volt, the base is so heavy. The other one are so light, so easy to maneuver, and I like them way better. So anyway, hopefully it helped you know a little bit more what those snow shovel can handle. Subscribe, we'll see you in the next video.